Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and check it out, a 2023 Forest River Impression 235 RW. This is a new floor plan, and let me drop the floor plan below. So again, this is a new floor plan. This RV is offered by Bill Thomas Camper, Wentzville, Missouri. Link below for new, used, service, and parts. The price on this unit is $70,165. Love the coloring on the side. Love that blue. It really pops against the white. As we open up, you can see the pass-through storage. So this unit has a lot of unique features. The pass-through storage that I just showed you here, you can see the outdoor kitchen, a dormitory style and size refrigerator, and then a gas grill. Really nice. Having an outdoor kitchen is so nice when the weather's nice and you don't want to cook inside, you don't want to make a mess inside. Here you can see the backlit stereo speakers, tandem axle, Goodyear tires. There's a 1-year warranty on those tires. There you can see the unique features of this unit. You have a big window on the side, and then right around the corner, you have a big window across the back, and that's your eating area. We'll see that in a moment. Nice size awning across the campsite. So the length on this unit is 28.11, width 8 feet, height is 13.2. Dry weight is 7538. Payload is 4122. Here's the other end of that pass-through storage, and you have your water hookups. And then your hitch weight is 1460. 2 LP bottles, liquid propane, and they're 14.2 gallons. As we look down the side, so this unit is definitely a couples unit. It sleeps 2. As we slide around the front again, and then down the campsite, your tank capacities, fresh, gray, and black, are 57, 60, and 30. Your solid frame, there's the 235 rear RW, rear bedroom. Your light panel. And so I've got some cool stuff to show you on the inside here. The body, as I started to say, it was aluminum. So here are those 2 windows that I talked about. Look at the amount of light and just the view. Can you imagine camping in the mountains or on a lake and just sitting there and enjoying a meal and looking outdoors? Nice size farmer sink, 3-burner cooktop, microwave oven. Very smooth material here. It's deceiving. It looks like it's vinyl, but it's a very smooth material. You have a 30-inch fireplace, 40-inch TV. The TV is measured diagonally. That's why it's a discrepancy there. And then behind the TV and fireplace, you have this pantry with shelves, lighting, and there's plenty of room in there. You can hang a jacket, or you could hang several jackets, put brooms, mops. Very nice. So here's your fuse box, your fuse panel in case anything's tripped. And then you have storage underneath the steps. As we walk up the steps into the bathroom, so you have your vanity there, and then you have a walk-in shower, your foot-operated commode, your rack there to hang your towels or your clothing. As we step inside the bedroom, so you have a queen-size bed with under-bed storage. So this unit has, I failed to mention earlier, it has a 15,000 BTU air conditioning. It has a second one as a backup. Here you can see the plug-in for your washer and stackable washer and dryer. You have a second AC unit at 13,500. Then the heater is 35,000 BTU. As we step out of the bedroom, that was a queen-size bed with underbed storage. And check out this view here. Again, 2811, so just under 29 feet. What a nice couples coach. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a comment below, give it a thumbs up. Check you on the next one.